welcome back to our channel. So today we're actually not doing a Disney recipe. It's Catherine's birthday and she has requested a chili cheese burrito, also known as a chilito. Some of you may know it, some of you may not. It was an old Taco Bell delight, a delicious treat. It's basically like a chili cheese burrito. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. Cheese, chili, beef, like just so good. They don't have it anymore. They took it off the menu, and for Catherine's birthday, we're gonna make her a Copycat chili cheese burrito. So let's see how close we can get to the chilito. So I've gone ahead and I've actually pre-cooked my beef. I've pre-cooked my beef and I've drained it, and now I'm gonna start adding in all of those items that we picked up. Oh, and we're also gonna be using Taco Bell seasoning, the original, to season our beef because this is a chili cheese burrito. These are all the items that we're gonna be using. We're gonna be using tomato paste, red sauce, enchilada, and then traditional refried beans, which I do not plan on using all of these refried beans. As you can see, I've already opened these items with a can opener. So this is what it looks like so far. We've added in our whole can of tomato paste. We used all the tomato paste. We mixed it up. We've used our taco seasoning so far and a 1/4 cup of water. We're also going to put this roux into the mix. So this is just a mixture of equal parts flour and water. So this is just going to thicken our burrito filling. Alright, so we've added in our roux, we've added in our onions, our beef, our tomato sauce, our seasoning, our 1/4 cup of water, and I'm going to add in the enchilada red sauce, and then I'm just going to let it sit for a little bit before I add the refried beans. I feel like it needs to get to like a thicker, like I want the onions to cook more, and then we're going to end up adding like a ton of cheese, which pleases me greatly, so totally just forgot to show me pouring the red sauce in. We've added the red sauce. Also, Taco Bell does have, I'm pretty sure, their own red sauce, or I saw a similar sauce to it, but I actually just grabbed this El Paso del whatever one. This one looked good to me, so. Starting to look more like a filling, like a beef filling. Oh, so exciting. I'm gonna turn the heat down just a little bit on this guy. Let's do medium for a little bit. Let's add some of these, okay. Let's add some of these beans in there. About 1/3 of a can. That's all I'm doing. The beans are also just like, see, I don't like refried beans, but you kind of need them for the consistency of this, and you really don't taste them, and it's more of a texture thing at that point. As you can see, there are some like bigger beans in here. See, like there's some beans, but it's not gonna be like a ton of beans. All right, we've waited long enough. Let's add some cheese. Let's add a lot of cheese. Part of my appearance, it's now pool day. I put half of the chili into our Mickey Mouse crock pot, and then I put half the chili into like a Cambro, like, why am I saying that? Like a, what's it called? Tupperware container. I put half the chili in a Tupperware container, half of it in our Mickey Mouse crock pot, you guys. Oh my gosh. This is definitely the right way to do chili cheese burritos. I am like enamored by this. saying 97%? All right, I'll take it. 97% close to a chili cheese burrito from Taco Bell. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's probably not even that perfect because you don't even have fire sauce yet. Oh. You're saying 97%? I'm saying 98. That's really good.